There are many programs which we're told are helpful and improve our PC, but some of these programs aren't what they seem, whether they simply just perform terribly or actively harm your computer's software. I am going to tell you the top 10 programs you need to stay away from. At number 10, we have Kaspersky. Kaspersky is a company that offers thorough defense against a range of network and phishing attacks, spam, and threats to information security. Kaspersky Internet Security offers a range of features and security components to provide all-around protection. Don't celebrate just yet though, because according to BIS, using Kaspersky puts American organizations at risk because Kaspersky is governed by Russian law and is required to abide by information requests. The bottom line is, it cannot be trusted. At number 9, we have Zoom AI Companion. This is a feature of the Zoom application, where you can quickly catch up and get clarity on what you missed during a meeting without interrupting it. Review cloud recordings faster through highlights, smart chapters, summaries and next steps, and get analytics on key meeting and conversation factors. Here's where things get iffy though. Users of virtual meeting provider Zoom complained last year after an update to Zoom's terms of service led to concerns that customer data would be used to train the company's AI algorithm. Not to mention, there is no way for the customer to opt out of this. Also, AI Companion may not be able to accurately summarize all meetings. If you missed a meeting and want a summary, there are numerous more ways you can summarize what was covered in conferences. Number 8. The Pirate Bay is a freely searchable online index of movies, music, video games, and software. The Pirate Bay has consistently ranked as one of the most visited torrent websites in the world, but in order to keep running, the website had to move to a number of new web addresses due to multiple server raids, shutdowns, and domain seizures. Internet service providers are required by law to restrict access to it in a number of nations. In order to get around the blocks, proxy websites have since appeared. I don't think I need to say more. If a website or program has a history of being blocked and unblocked, that more than likely means it cannot be trusted. Number 7. MPCHC is an extremely lightweight open-source media player for Windows. It supports all common video and audio file formats available for playback. Where the problems begin is the website in its current state. As you can see, it says it's not been in development since 2017. Fixing bugs and security issues is what this program was built to do. The fact that it's no longer in development means it's essentially useless and should not be installed. Number 6. Greenshot is used to create full or partial screenshots. Before exporting the screenshot to a printer, email attachment, clipboard, or image file, it can be marked up and modified using the integrated image editor. The inability to record videos is one of Greenshot's drawbacks. Compared to other tools like Snagit, it doesn't offer the same degree of manipulation. Lastly, Greenshot always launches a web browser with an indestructible donation page after installation. There are many other websites which do this job more efficiently. Number 5. LastPass is a password management tool that enables users to keep their passwords safe and automatically fill them in. The lack of LastPass's one-to-many password sharing feature, emergency access capabilities, and sophisticated multi-factor authentication options like YubiKey and fingerprint authentication are some of the limitations. Additionally, they have experienced multiple hacks wherein confidential client information was compromised, exclusively due to their poor security and lack of progress. That alone is enough for me to not recommend using this tool. Number 4. CCleaner is a tool for cleaning your PC. It speeds up and secures your computer while safeguarding your privacy. The primary danger is that CCleaner may wind up wiping out items that you actually need. It might be a file dependency or registry setting. Additionally, it would frequently install software without the user's consent. Numerous customer testimonials state that after using CCleaner, the computer would no longer boot up. If you require a computer cleaning program, for sure I'd suggest Microsoft PC Manager because it doesn't employ dubious methods for gathering data. Number 3. RealPlayer24. This media player is utterly terrible and somehow is still up on the internet. Unfortunately, many people still use this. This player was ranked number 2 in the list of top 25 worst tech products of all time. There are so many things wrong with it, I could be here all day. It loads a bunch of useless programs every time Windows starts, it bogs down your computer, it spies on you, and that's just scratching the surface. Definitely stay away from this program at all costs. Number 2. With Hola VPN, you can spoof your IP address and get around website blocks by passing your internet traffic through the devices of other users. Other users are free to use your IP address any way they want in return. This is risky because criminal activity linked to your IP address can be traced back to your identity and residential address. Proton VPN is a much better option because it is much more reliable. Lastly, number 1. uTorrent is a free, user-friendly BitTorrent client that lets you download files from other people's websites, including games, apps, movies, books, and more. Although uTorrent has security flaws, it is not a virus in and of itself. Users find it undesirable because it comes with bloatware and adware. To make sure new downloads are safe for your device, use antivirus software to check them, such as uTorrent. Thank you for watching my video. Take care.